Mr. Sean, you know, God is just choir practice. Inside and I feel the hate. So I said, alright, and I went over there. I never know what God was doing. I went in the choir practice. I go far and I go back to my message. Marriage. Somebody said encounter. This day I can't forget, because when I went in the church, remember, I have been in that church from Sunday school. I have never seen Holy Spirit manifest in that church. That dead church. Good. I saw them preach. Seriously, with the man, like, they can live and nothing on the church. But that's all I knew. And I entered and a lady was talking. And she was telling the young people, say, you need to serve God. And I remember feeling the same fire I felt on the mountain. And Sean looked at me again and said, you not feel the heat. Mr. Sean, easy now, man, before you disturb the people in service. It was a choir practice, it's not service. The lady told them, church, I sat at the back. I'm not on the choir, so I wasn't really supposed to be there. I sat at the back and the lady called them to pray. But I know me call them because this encounter. When the lady called them to pray and they went up to pray, and I sat at the back, and Sean, you know him, I was saying, yeah? And then looked at me and started to go up. And then walked up at the front and I said, who over said, see man. They never really know what going on. And I look up over the church and I see the roof open. And it coming like a big foot just stepping on the church. You see here. And when I look, Sean said, you not feel the heat. We say yes, and another girl start. There was a heat in that place that was undescribable. We start look around and the people at the altar all fall on the floor. And a demon stood up and said, you Andre Wilshire, you are fool. And I was like, God, I use her to call me fool because I never feel the heat. And I realized it was a demon. Church, I cannot describe what happened. And I got up and I cast out the demon, and the demon jumped from sheep into somebody else. And it was back and forth in the church. And I was there speaking in tongues, and a fire engulfed that place. Everybody was bawling and crying. This is a church that had never encountered anything like that. And because I went in that church, and the Lord took me and said, this is what I will place on your life if you are obedient to my call. I said, okay, Jesus. And from that day, I can tell you encounter after encounter. I had an encounter last year when I was doing fasting, and there was a spiritual attack against my feet. Because we encounter attack enough. And so I say the spiritual warfare thing, it is fun because it's that good fun. You always win when you're close to Jesus. And I saw, church, I heard a breeze. Now go back to the message. I have to go back. I heard a breeze and I looked up on the roof and I saw me, but me look well sexy. And I said, whoa, me lose weight. And I said, what is this? And I realized it wasn't my physical, but it was my spirit man. Yeah, man, I don't tell you about this. And when I looked up on it, I talked it in church, man. I looked up and I heard the breeze and I started sitting. No, man, what is me I see? We start saying, no, but if I get more and more real, I hear the breeze, the prayer on my backyard, I hear the breeze a blow, and I look up and God say, oh, will go for me. And I me that me see, I realize that the sexy shape was just my spirit man. And yada yada, I won't tell you the rest of that because it had something to do with something else. And then when I sat down, and I said, God, you have to take away the attack from my feet. And church, the same image I saw up there, behind me, it came in front and I saw Jesus kneel down and wash my feet. And I said, God, I know you're not worshiping me, but you're doing this to show me service because he washed his disciples' feet. And I'm telling you, the attack on my feet broke. And I said, God, another time, I'm telling you, recently October last year, I did 3 days. How much days? I'm telling you, if Isaiah saw the Lord, you can see the Lord. If I saw the Lord, you can see the Lord. They say one of the requirements of being an apostle is that you have to see Jesus. You have to have an encounter, because the apostle is called to a much higher level. Do you understand? And when I came out, we had gone somewhere, me, you and Randy, and I came out of the car, and it was on the fast, and I think it was a Sunday, and I looked down the road, and about 100 feet, I saw 2 men running. But I'm far enough, so I said, oh, this is no thief. But all them run, you watch Captain America? I see him move with power and strength. I said, oh, them 2 men, they look so, they look very strong. And the 2 men them run and go over my house. And I say, come to me here, man, because I could have thief. And I saw the man jump on the wall and shape out like a lizard and wrap himself around the entire house. And I said, I can go home. And I said, God, 3 days of fasting. That's all it takes. I'm telling you, you can reach this level. But you see, it might not start with 3 days for you if you're not there yet. And when I saw the other one wrap himself around, and I looked good, and I said, no man, I said, I look good. Because I start one day from my mind. And God said to me, stay on track. I want to tell you, so I never stay on track. But drop off a track and get all depressed. The whole of October, November, December, I'm depressed. Because Satan does not want you to see the Lord. The man said, when Uzziah died, some things need to die in our life before we can encounter God. Listen if you believe me.
Show sir.
I can tell you encounter after encounter. Some of you know the ministry. You have seen when we command demons. We see, I went to a church one time, 85, 70%. 75, 80%. Demon, some of you would run. But the power of God, Jesus said, if I cast out demons by the finger of God, then the kingdom of God has come. Lift your hand and say, encounter.
Encounter.
I need to get back to my message. Yeah, man. So I